I founded the Techni Summit 5 years ago, and since then I've been intrigued by the whole technology ecosystem and startups, and a few years down the road started the Alexandria Business Angel Network and grew the network from 6 investors up to almost 40, and we've closed around 20 deals. 5 or 6 of them were syndicated, which led us to think that we need to work on deal syndication and the trust building and these opportunities in the region. It started as an initiative from some core members, including the Alexandria Business Angel Network, as they were leading syndicated deals between more than 3 Egyptian-based angel networks. And that's how we realized that there's a huge gap in seed funding, not just in Egypt or North Africa, but also in several countries that are overlooking this gap that focuses on seed funding and providing capital to startups that are still growing. So what we're trying to do is to build a network of trust. We're trying to connect people, like-minded investors that have the expertise in their industries, of course, but also in angel investing, so that we can trust each other in deal syndication, and also providing an opportunity for soft landing, an opportunity to grow and scale these portfolio companies in several countries. And by talking about Mediterranean countries or the Mediterranean Business Angel Network, we're connecting Europe with Africa and the Middle East. What we usually do in Med Angels is to facilitate deal flow and facilitate the syndication process. We sometimes receive opportunities that come directly from startups, and we redirect those to local angel networks from their countries. And once they decide to close the deal, or at least commit to closing a deal, we take that lead from them and circulate that to the rest of the members, so that we can have more networks or more individual angels join the round that is led by the local angel network. The Mediterranean region is an overlooked one. A lot of initiatives or networks are focusing on Middle East, Africa, Europe, but the intersection of those 3 was quite intriguing, specifically when these countries or cities that were on the Mediterranean used to have and continue to have strong relationships a long time ago, and trade was one of the things that connected these cities together as different ports and commodities and travel. As time evolved, or as time went by, these strong ties sarcastically grew weaker rather than going stronger with technology. So what we're trying to do is to connect these cities together in a way that can reinforce economic development based on a trust relationship that starts from the bottom up. As Med Angels, we are not just open for angel networks. We have different kinds of memberships. We have corporate members, we have accelerators and incubators. We have people who are feeding into the deal flow that we are closing as angels, but we also have people who are receiving the deals, the follow-on funding. So we have more or less trying to complete the supply chain between the angel network, between the different stages that startups are involved in. And having corporate members also gives them access to identify new innovation in their specific industry. So the benefits are several, depending on what kind of member and what really adds value to you as an organization. There are a lot of benefits for members joining angel networks, joining the Mediterranean Angels, specifically when we're talking about access to deal flow that is out of the normal that you will be normally accessing. So if you're a member from Europe and you're looking at opportunities in the Middle East or Africa, this is where you need to go, because we have a lot of partners and a lot of members from these different regions, and they're consistently providing us with proprietary deal flow that is that could be interesting to a lot of people who are looking to invest in industries that they have good knowledge in, and are also interested to expand their portfolios outside of their regions, and they can also which can also lead to soft landing and giving an opportunity for these startups to grow in their local countries. The Mediterranean Business Angels, or Med Angels as we say, is supported by HEVOS and the GIZ. HEVOS based in the Netherlands and GIZ supported by the German government. We also have several, these are our sponsors. We also have several supporters that supported the initiative a year and a half ago in terms of outreach, promotion, and spreading the word about what we're trying to do in syndication or deal syndication.